Boiler breakdowns cost the UK over $700 million a year in unexpected bills, not to mention the massive inconvenience. All from this little fella. Meet Sludge, the #1 cause of boiler breakdown. Sludge loves travelling through your pipes and clogging up your boiler, ruining all your expensive parts. He's not to be underestimated. Sludge wreaks havoc, getting anywhere and everywhere, settling in all your radiators and damaging the entire system. Sludge damage isn't even covered by 9 million central heating cover policies. Doesn't seem so cute now, does he? Thankfully, Adey is here to serve Sludge an eviction notice and extend the life of your boiler. With Adey MagnaCleanse System Flush, the sludge is lifted out of your heating system, and with an Adey MagnaClean filter, your boiler is protected, which means it doesn't have to work so hard, saving you as much as £80 off your annual gas bill. To protect your heating system from sludge damage, fit an Adey MagnaClean filter. It captures sludge, no matter how hard he tries to escape, and stops him rampaging through your system. Adding an inhibitor keeps sludge at bay, stopping him returning. All of this means your heating system stays clean. And if it's clean, it can work at peak efficiency, reducing your household carbon emissions by 7%, so it's kinder to the planet. Plus, our top-of-the-range Adey MagnaClean Professional 3 Sense filter even monitors the amount of sludge in your system, alerting you and your installer of any sludge build-up in your system before there's a danger of boiler breakdown. Smart. Protect your central heating system with MagnaClean. Speak to your plumbing and heating specialist and ask them for Adey MagnaClean today.